Today, we're taking Shaniqua on a quick roll around the parking lot. Let's get it!
Well, the dry shaft wobbling, she moving. Yeah, she moving, y'all. Yeah, come on, Shaniqua. Tack all in my way in my feet. I should have mounted it first. Come on back, Shaniqua. Let's go. I'm worried about scraping, y'all. She a little cold. I should have never started up cold like that. Oh, yeah. Boy, I got to adjust that carburetor. It's loading up. I can feel it. All right, Nico. Good job, Nico. Good job. I ain't got no power steering fluid in it, y'all. Oh, Lord. Ooh, I love the tuck in the back, though. Oh, yeah, she looking nasty right there, y'all. Okay, I got to do some tuning up on her, though. She's sputtering and missing. I think because the carburetor is not adjusted. I shouldn't have ever just put one on. But there it is.